You know, last week on Fox News at 9, we spoke with an immigration attorney about the process of becoming a U.S. citizen.
Well, tonight we spoke to someone who just became a citizen to get his take on Alabama's new immigration law. Fox 10 News reporter Paige Malone brings you his story.
Sir Cosme can now call himself an American. He grew up in Saudi Arabia and then came over to the States for his education.
And the one thing about the United States when I arrived here, even when I was not a resident, I was just a student, was the idea of what it feels to be free, was that you didn't have to prove anything to anyone.
After graduation, Cosme's employer sponsored him. Since he has helped grow his company internationally, Cosme says immigrants like himself are a valuable resource in the American workforce.
You need those people that have great ideas not to be working for other places, because we need to have a competitive edge. We need to have those people within our borders, within our confines, within our corporations, thinking for us, writing new ideas for us, and it's our intellectual property rather than Japan's or China's or India's or whatnot.
Although the new Alabama immigration law wouldn't physically impact Cosme and others legally working in the U.S., he says it may make skilled workers hesitant to come to the area.
It takes them out emotionally and mentally from a frame that they're trying to build around themselves, that, hey, this is me, I'm here, this is my country now. And when that kind of thing happens, I think it breaks something inside of you. It just takes away from your emotional attachment to everything that you're trying to build. It just kind of eats up on that, and you feel like, why am I doing this if I'm going to be looked at as an outsider simply because?
Which is exactly what Cosme says people are trying to avoid when they come to America. Reporting in Fairhope, Paige Malone, Fox 10 News.
Employers sponsoring immigrants have to foot the bill, and that could cost them up to $15,000.